Most people use Claude like a chatbot. I use it like a daily productivity system, and it saves me hours every week. Here's the exact 5-step workflow I use every day to plan my tasks. Write emails, create content, research faster, and stay organized, without complicated prompts or a fancy setup. Let's get into it. Step 1. The morning brain dump. Every morning before I do anything else, I open Claude and type out everything that's on my plate for the day. Not a fancy prompt, just a brain dump. Something like, here's what I need to get done today. Help me prioritize and organize this. Claude takes that mess and turns it into a clear, structured plan. It's like having a personal assistant that actually reads your mind. Step 2. Email triage. Instead of spending 45 minutes staring at a blank screen, I paste in whatever I need to respond to and tell Claude the tone and the outcome I want. Claude drafts it. I review it. Done. What used to take me an hour now takes about 10 minutes. Step 3. Content creation. If you're running a business, a blog, or a social media account, you know how exhausting it is to come up with new ideas every single day. Here's what I do. I open a Claude project, give it my brand voice, my audience, and my goals, and I treat it like a content partner. I'll ask it for 5 content ideas, pick the best one, then ask it to write the script, the caption, and the hashtags. One prompt chain. Done. Step 4. Research and summarizing. Whenever I need to understand something fast, a new tool, a competitor, a concept, I paste the info into Claude and ask it to break it down like I'm 5. No more spending 2 hours reading. I get the summary, the key points, and the action steps in under 2 minutes. Step 5. End-of-day wrap-up. This one's underrated. At the end of the day, I paste my completed tasks into Claude and ask it to write a quick summary of what I got done and what I should tackle first tomorrow. It's like a daily report card, and it keeps me on track every single day. That's my full Claude daily workflow. Brain dump, email, content, research, and wrap-up. 5 steps, rinse and repeat. If this gave you a new idea for how to use Claude, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and follow so you don't miss the next one. I drop new Claude tips every single day, and you don't want to fall behind. See you in the next one.